Imagine holding the future of cinematography in the palm of your hand. A device so light it defies regulations, but so powerful it renders professional rigs obsolete. For years, we've watched DJI dominate the skies, but in 2026, the rules of the game have been completely rewritten with the arrival of the DJI Mini 6 Pro. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a seismic shift in what sub-250-gram drones can achieve. You're probably wondering how they managed to cram a full 1-inch sensor into a frame this small, or how the new O5 transmission system manages to maintain a crystal-clear link even in the dense urban canyons of New York or the remote peaks of the Rockies. Well, stay right there because we're diving deep into every leaked spec, every confirmed feature, and the secret technology that makes the Mini 6 Pro the only camera you will ever need. The first thing that's going to stop you in your tracks is the redesigned gimbal architecture. We aren't just talking about vertical shooting anymore. We're looking at a full 3-axis mechanical stabilization system that allows for a staggering 80-degree upward tilt. Think about the shots you can get. Looking straight up at skyscrapers or capturing the underside of a forest canopy while maintaining perfect 8K resolution. This is the year DJI finally bridged the gap between the hobbyist and the elite filmmaker. The sensor technology here is borrowed directly from the flagship Mavic series, utilizing a stacked CMOS design that pulls light out of thin air. Even in the dead of night, the noise reduction algorithms are so advanced that your footage looks like it was shot on a high-end cinema camera. But the real magic lies in the AI-driven autonomy. The Mini 6 Pro introduces ActiveTrack 7.0, a system so intelligent it doesn't just follow you, it predicts your movement through dense environments. Whether you're mountain biking through a thick forest or navigating the crowded streets of Los Angeles, the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, now featuring LiDAR light technology, ensures that your drone is virtually uncrashable. It sees the world in 3 dimensions, mapping its surroundings in real time to find the most cinematic path possible without you ever touching the sticks. This is total freedom. This is the ability to be the star of your own movie while your robotic cinematographer handles the heavy lifting.